Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to find the last two digits of a number. So in this video, we will learn about the concepts and the tricks. And before watching this video, I would like all of you to watch my previous video on how to find the unit digit of a number. So let's start with the concept. To find the last two digit, what we have to do, we have to divide the numbers in three categories. The numbers which ends in first category is 1, 3, 7, 9. Second category which ends in 5, and third category which ends in 2, 4, 6, 8. So there is a separate method to find the last two digits of these numbers which ends in these digits. So let's start with the first case. Then ends in 1, 3. So for this one, there is a special theorem for the number which ends in 1. If the number is in this form, like any digit can be there, A, B, C, 1, which ends in 1, and let's say it can have any exponent x, y, z. If the number is in this form, then the last two digit, the unit digit will always be 1. Since the number is ending in 1, the unit digit will always be 1. But the second last digit will be the unit digit of product of this C, the number which is before 1, and the unit digit of the exponent C and Z. So this will be the unit digit of C and Z. Let's take one example. Let's say if we have a number 81 raised to the power 123. So in order to get the last two digit, so unit digit will be 1. Now the second last digit. So here before 1 we have 8 and this is 3. So 8 into 3 is 24. So unit digit of 24 is 4. So we'll place 4 over here. So last two digit of 81 is 1, 2, 3. Now similarly, let's take another example. If we have 1, 4, 3, 5, 1 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in order to get the last two digit, the 1 will be there and this is 5 and this is 6. Now product of 5 and 6 is 30. So unit digit of 30 is 0. So we'll place 0 over here. So the last two digit of this number is 0 and 1. Now since we have taken three other numbers in this category like ending in 3, 7 and 9. So how we will check? If we have a number like this, 3 raised to the power of 123. We have to find the last two digit of the number. So the property of 3, 7 and 9 is that if we go through the cyclicity of this one, 3 power 4 results in 81. It means when we do the power of 3 as 4, it will give you 81, which is 1 in the end. So we will convert this base into the number which ends in 1. So we can, according to the law of exponent, we can write this one as 3 power 4. And when we will divide this one, this will be 30. So 4 into 30, that is 120. And 3 raised to the power 3. According to the law of exponent, we can write. Now 3 power 4 is 81. So it is getting converted into 81 raised to the power 30. And 3 power 3 is 27. Now it is ending in 1. So 1 will be the unit digit. Now this is 8 and this is 0. So product of 8 and 0 is 0. So 0, 1 will be here and this is 27. So 0, 1 into 27 is 27. So last two digit is 27 of this number. Similarly, if the number ends in 7, like 7 raised to the power 43, we have to find the last two digit. So again we know that 7 power 4 is 2401. 7 raised to the power 4 ends in 1. So we can convert it like this: 7 power 4, then it will go 10 times and 7 power 3. So for 4, 10 times 40 and 3, 43. Now 7 power 4 we can write 2401, and no need to write 2401. We can only write the last two digits since we are focusing on the last two digits only. and 7 power 3, you should know the cyclicity, it is 343. Now 1 will be here, so 1 will be there. Now this is 0 and this is also 0, so 0 into 0 is 0, so 0 1, and from here the last two digits are 43, so 43 into 0 1, that is 43, so answer is 43. Similarly, if the number ends in 9 raised to the power, let's say 54, so again we know that 9 raised to the power 2 is 81, so we can do like this: 9 power 2, and this can be written as 27. Now 9 power 2 is 81, so 81 raised to the power 27, so again we can apply that rule. This is 1, so 1 will be over here, and 8 and 7, 8 into 7 is 56, so unit digit of 56 is 6, so we can place 6 over here. So last two digit of this one is 61. Now what happens when we have the number like this: 14323 raised to the power 156. Here, since we are focusing only on the last two digits, so we will extract only the last two digits from this one, which is 23. So 23 power 156. Now, in order to convert this into 1, we know that 3 power 4 ends in 1, so 23 power 4 will also ends in 1. So we can write this one as power 4. So if it is 4, then 4 3 times 12 and 9 times 36. So this is now how we will calculate 23 power 4. So we can write 23 power 4 as 23 square and whole square, and this is 39 as it is. Now you should know what is 23 square. So 23 square is 529. So it results in, so last two digit of 23 square is 29. So we can write 29, then again square, and then power 39. So 29 square is 841, so it ends in 41, so we can write this one as 41 raised to the power 39. Now it is ending in 1, so we can write 1 will be here, and 4 times 9, that is 36, so unit digit for 36 is 6, so 6 will be over here. So final answer is 61 is the last two digit of the number. Let's take one more example. Suppose if we have the number 157 raised to the power of 29. Now, so what we have to do, first we have to extract the last two digit, which is 57, 29. So now we know that 7 power 4 ends in 1, so 57 power 4 will also gives you 1 in the unit digit. So we will write like this: 57 power 4, and 29 will be 7 times, 4 7 times 28, and this is again 54. Now, in order to calculate 57 power 4, we don't know what is 57 power 4, so we can divide it like this: 57 square and then again whole square, and this is 7 as it is, and this is 54. Now अब ये कैसे होगा 57 स्क्वायर? अगर आपको 57 स्क्वायर नहीं पता तो एक रूल हमेशा याद रखिए, किसी भी नंबर की स्क्वायर की लास्ट टू डिजिट उतनी ही होती है, अगर कोई एक्स एक नंबर है उसके स्क्वायर की लास्ट टू डिजिट जो होंगी वो उतनी ही होंगी जितना वो नंबर 50 से ज्यादा है या 50 से कम है। अगर 50 के आसपास का नंबर है, तो जैसे 57 है, ये 50 से कितना ग्रेटर है? 7 ग्रेटर है, तो 7 स्क्वायर की जो लास्ट टू डिजिट होंगी वही 57 स्क्वायर की लास्ट टू डिजिट होंगी। तो 7 स्क्वायर की लास्ट टू डिजिट होती है 49, तो 57 स्क्वायर की भी लास्ट टू डिजिट होंगी 49, एंड ये 2 एंड देन अगेन पावर 7। नाउ अब ये 49 है, 49 स्क्वायर, अब देखो 49 जो है वो 50 से कितना कम है? 1 कम है, तो 1 के स्क्वायर की लास्ट टू डिजिट क्या होगी? 01, तो 49 स्क्वायर की लास्ट टू डिजिट भी होगी 01। 01 power 7, that is 54, and 01 power 7 is 01, so 01 into 54 is 54, so last two digit is 54। ये रूल हमेशा याद रखना। जैसे अगर मैं आपसे पूछूंगा कि लाइक 97 स्क्वायर की लास्ट टू डिजिट क्या होंगी, तो या तो आप 50 से डिफरेंस ले सकते हो या फिर 100 से डिफरेंस ले लो। तो अब ये देखो 97 स्क्वायर है तो 100 से कितना कम है? ये 3 लेस है, सो 3 स्क्वायर की लास्ट टू डिजिट क्या होती है? 09, तो 97 स्क्वायर की भी लास्ट टू डिजिट जो होंगी दैट इज 09। सिमिलरली अगर मैं नंबर लेता हूं लेट्स से 56, 56 50 से ग्रेटर है, 50 से कितना ग्रेटर है, 6 ग्रेटर है, तो 6 स्क्वायर की लास्ट डिजिट होती है 36, तो 56 स्क्वायर की भी लास्ट डिजिट होगी 36। आप इसमें 150 से भी डिफरेंस ले सकते हैं, 200 से भी ले सकते हैं, दैट विल वर्क सेम। सिमिलरली जैसा कि हम जो 44 स्क्वायर की लास्ट डिजिट, तो 44 50 से कितना कम है, 6 लेस है, तो 6 का स्क्वायर होगा 36, तो 44 स्क्वायर की भी लास्ट डिजिट होगी 36। इन दिस वे वी कैन वर्क अपॉन दिस वन। सो आई होप ये आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया होगा। इसका सेकंड पार्ट जो है which ends in 5 और which ends in third part which ends in 2 4 6 8 that we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.